So before Martus, budgeting for our organization was extremely difficult. We have grown significantly over the past few years, and we're now a 4-entity global organization. And when I arrived on staff in January of 2024 as the new CFO, I was told, hey, we've got a budget to do and we need to get it done pretty quickly. And I said, great, let's dig right into it and jump right in. And they said, yes, we have this lovely spreadsheet document for all 4 of our entities and all 16 of our departments and all hundreds of our projects. And I said, okay, I will do this process and we'll see how it goes. And it was challenging, to say the least. There's probably a lot of other words I would use to describe it as well. But it was really difficult, very frustrating, and very labor intensive. So after one round of that and a lot more gray hairs on my head and a lot less hairs on my head that I pulled out, I decided that we had to make a change. We quickly started investigating all of our options, used some of our partners who are also Martus partners, and got some recommendations, went through an RFP process, and Martus was by far the best solution for us. The features that have made the biggest difference for us has been, there's so many, but the one I would pick is Special Purpose Worksheets. A lot of our department heads have multiple line items, multiple budgets that they're running, and a Special Purpose Worksheet has been really so impactful for our department heads to be able to track those individual line items very well and to keep track of those. So during the budgeting process, that was instrumental in some of our larger departments, particularly the departments that serve multiple other revenue generating departments like our marketing team, finance team, IT. They really found it amazing. If someone is considering Martus, I think there's several things that they should know. The first one is the implementation process and the transparency in the initial sales phase is unmatched by anyone else. They quote you a price, they tell you what their system does, what it doesn't do, and that's the truth. The second piece is implementation. It was so easy to implement Martus. It was quick, fast, training was great, plentiful. And then the final thing, which I think now that we are post-implementation and we're actually in the product now, I think the biggest piece is the support. Their support team, and they told us this morning, 41 minutes, you get a response on average. A lot of times we get it faster. They provide solutions. I just can't say enough about support, because when you implement a new software solution, it's really scary. You're like, is this going to work for us? Are they going to be able to help us? How's the support going to be if we have an issue or a problem or a question? And Martus's customer support team is just amazing.